We are here at Apparition Hill, Our Lady in the back, and I'm with, what's your name?
Michael Falcone.
Where are you from, Michael?
I'm from Potomac, Maryland in the United States of America.
And when did you hear first time about Medjugorje?
I think the first time I heard about Medjugorje, I was reading a book called The Warning, and I heard testimonies of certain priests who had discovered their vocations here.
And then you said you had to come here. So what attracted you? What was it that attracted you to come here?
Well, it was just the conversion that people experience here, and the peace, and the closeness to Our Lady that people have when they come here, and really the way their lives change.
And you're the first time here?
This is my first time, yeah.
Wow. And what are your experiences?
Undescribable peace that I've never felt before. Not wanting to leave. A foretaste of heaven, honestly. Really this closeness with Our Lady as my mother, knowing that she's going to guide me through life and protect me, especially in my vocation as I'm in seminary. And so trusting in this newfound relationship with Mary, really.
Wow, that is powerful. And did you get any question answered here in a certain way, something you asked for?
Nothing specific, but just in general, just a newfound peace that I've never had before. And also just the reality that this place is real and these apparitions are real, because there's a lot of skepticism, but you come here and you experience that it's all about the Eucharist and Jesus in the Eucharist, that the whole town every night is attending the Holy Mass and adoring our Lord in the Eucharist. That's not going to be from the devil, and that's not going to be fake. It is truly Our Lady appearing here, and there's so much grace happening.
Did you receive any graces here, any healing?
No.
God nuggets,
Well, right now, if this peace continues, hopefully healing from just a lot of accusation from the enemy and a lot of scrupulosity, and that's what I think I've been healed, and I'm hoping that it'll continue.
And what would you tell people? Why should they come here?
They should come here to.
Young people especially.
Young people especially should come here to experience Our Lady in a new way and our Lord in a new way, and to deepen their relationship and experience deeper conversion. Even if you're already Catholic and really devout, you're just going to go deeper if you come here with our Lord, and as a place of renewal, really, a place of renewal. Because life is very hard and there's a lot of suffering, and so we come here and we get a foretaste of what's waiting for us if we persevere. Because if we persevere and have faith and stay strong in the faith, we're going to be able to be crowned with life.
And you can pass all challenges of life, no?
Yes. With Our Lady, with Our Lady's help, she's going to guide us.
Thank you so much for that beautiful interview.
Yes, thank you.